Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name Muhammad FAIZAL Azmil bin AMIR. Number matric B071710268. Okay, now I want to present you about study on driver behavior, time braking using driving simulator. Okay, this my my title for the PSM. So for my project, my SV is Dr. Nohazwani bin Mokhtar. Okay, so let's go to the chapter 1. So the problem statement is the road accident statistics are rising very high, especially at intersection or at the traffic light. Okay, second, where the road category also play a role in the cause this accident. Number 3, an accident in number of death due to road accident from 6 to 86. That's in 2003 to 6917 in 2012. So this in the problem statement I got the accident more to the urban situation. So let's go to the objective behind this project. Firstly, to identify reaction, time braking behavior, time emergency braking. Second, to identify braking behavior participant, time car in front brake suddenly. Number 3 is to evaluate driving behavior while cross the intersection. Okay, this is 3 part of my objective. So let's go to the method. First method I use in this project is obstacle scenario for emergency braking. Step 1, participant must drive car 100 at speed range 60 to 80 km per hour. Second, step 2, participant must press the pedal after 100 meter line. Number 3, step 3, participant must stop the car before collide the wall. This is three step how to run the scenario. So participant must very clearly how to brake, how to start. So next, let's go to the scenario with other car. This two step. Step 1 is participant must drive car at safe distance at 15 meter. So have another car is in front, car driving, and the another car will brake suddenly. So the participant must brake and don't crash the in front car. So step 2, participant follow the car at the front in front car and will car in front will brake suddenly. So participant must be ready in the situation. Will continue 3 times. Okay. So my last scenario is scenario at intersection. Step 1, participant must drive car at 13 km per hour between 15 km 2 meter before intersection. Second, participant must brake the car before cross intersection. Step 3 is participant must look right and left before cross intersection road clear, start, cross intersection. Okay, this scenario at intersection. So I want to repeat my method. It have three scenario. Firstly, obstacle scenario. Second, scenario with an other cars. Third is a scenario at intersection. So let's go to the result for the obstacle scenario for emergency braking. 0 to 100 meter line. I got participant. I got participant braking. Participant number 10 is lower. Lower is 8 second. And then participant higher is participant 1, 8.8166. So that's mean participant take a long time to achieve 100 meter and take a short time for 100 meter. This will the different push the pedal between participant and participant. So the velocity for the participant from 1 to 100, the higher velocity is 0.3088 for the participant 3, and the lower velocity is 0.88 km per hour participant 10. So I get 3 average time the experiment for the braking 200 meter. At the first scenario, the higher participant is participant 6 at 3 second, as the lower is participant 8, 2.5 second. So the average braking time in the 200 all participant, average time all the participant is 2.4378 second, braking into 20 meter to stop the car speed at speed 17 km per hour in meter area. In 20 meter car area has 2.4378 second for car stop if the speed 17 km per hour. That time will affect the speed of car. If speed more than 17 km per hour, that car collide the wall. Okay, so this block and whisker for the average, the braking reaction to all participants. The block and whisker show all the participants skew to the right. That's mean more participants push the pedal in the time 2.33 seconds to stop that car. Okay, let's go to the scenario 2 is a scenario behind the car. The scenario behind the car have a 2 result. I get reaction time for 3 reaction time braking for 3 situation brake, and 2, and number 2 is level of pedal brake time braking at 3 situation brake. So reaction time at 0.25. So the time I will put at the below the video. So the average for all the average at the time 0.3275. The very quick press is participant 2, 1.7916 second, and late press the pedal is participant 8, 2.166 second. So the 11 press pedal very quick at 7.5 second, and the participant 6 late for late on time press pedal 7.791 second. Okay, so the average time of the third brake, so participant 9 and 10 press the pedal very quick, 12 and 5, and the participant 7 late on the press the pedal, 13 in 0.14 second. So total average for the all the 3 times braking. So the first time braking, the average time is 1.649 second, and the second average is 7.602 second, and the third is 12.7159. Okay, next, so the scenario first at the level is a second result in this scenario. Is level total average level for first braking 0.5612, and second braking is 0.6499, and third is 0.6868. So this result we show the at the first braking, the most participant achieve 0.3 above, and the second braking, just one participant, participant 5 now achieve 0.3, and all achieve a 0.3 level time braking. So at the third braking, the all participant achieve a 0.3 level braking. So this block and whisker I will put at the presentation below. Okay, so this number 3 result scenario and intersection. So there's in the scenario, the average before time crossing intersection. So that's mean before the participant cross the intersection, the participant must brake before crossing the intersection. So the total average reaction time for the braking is 1.8939 second before cross the intersection. Firstly, is to identify the reaction time braking behavior, the time emergency brake. The participant do all these experiments very well, but some participant collide the wall time to the experiment. This because in the real braking, car is not the same braking and simulator. That because the simulator just have vibration at steering, no vibration at the seat and rig. Also that the view simulation also not equal to real life situation. Second, experiment is identify braking behavior participant, time car, and infra and brake handling. In this experiment, I observe collect that data. The participant is not to focus on the experiment. Also have some participant are not focused that car in front, and have some crash the car in front. The participant using brake pedals very well, and also slow down the car not using the brake pedal. So last experiment is evaluate to driving behavior while crossing the intersection. In the experiment, all participants press the pedal brake before the crossing the intersection. Participant also look at the right and left before cross the intersection. No crash between car in simulation. In the scenario 3, they very carefully before cross the intersection. All for me. I hope my presentation to addition in my my marks. So thank you for watching.